one of our server event staff made this whole server event for everyone before he was even event staff. He's got all this foliage so no one could x-ray, but you had to go around this whole cave system and find 10 signs labeled 1 through 10, and when you put them together, it would give you like some bearings coordinate math that I guess boats use. And we tried to figure that one out, but I guess there's 2 different kinds, and we used the wrong kind. But to get in this shack, you had to go through a path block, and I'm not sure if the mechanics just don't work the same as they did, or if he tried to close it off. I had to have a moderator teleport me in there. But you had to find this, and you're dying to a wither rose, but that was like the 4th one. So you had to go find coordinates at all these different places. The first one was a statue. You had to crawl up inside, and it gave you coordinates to go to a different place that told you to go back to the statue and keep looking. And you had to go down a ladder under a snow path block, which led you into something like this, a room full of wither roses and snowberries, and it turns out when you put them all together in that room, it would make a QR code that gave you coordinates probably to this place. And then he also had it so a different one, you went to this boot, I can't type, and it had this poem, right, with randomly capitalized letters. Well, if you see a flaw with this, he used the wrong homophone of there in these letters. You open these chests, and whichever letter he replaced was another part of a coordinate in that poem, and he wrote it across 3 signs. This guy's crazy. So there's like brewing stand ones. Oh, there it was. And that led you to a different part of his event. Wish I had that QR code one. Enchant. He's got this, so I don't know, but outside one of these barrels and whatnot, same deal. I think it was a 9. I don't know. Keep telling my friends about this. Hopefully this video will help demonstrate how crazy this guy was. This little wheelbarrow.